Today we have just a competition warm-up because we compete tomorrow. Wasser Regionals is here, so we're going to do it on, you can probably hear it, so we're going to do it on the soccer fields behind there. Competition day. Bread, burgers. Compete at 5. A staple of a good meat.
Last weekend in Windsor, I was excited to PB in the 100 when I ran 12:49, and today I went 12:12, which is pretty crazy and was very unexpected. But it's cool to know that to have the hard evidence that I'm getting faster and to kind of bring that over to the runway. It's a huge confidence booster for sure. Triple jump also went very well. I went 13:26, which is 4 centimeters off my personal best, and had a pretty solid series, didn't fault any jumps, and happy to work through some things on the runway. Obviously a lot is changing with my run right now, so it was good to just have another experience being at full approach and putting some jumps out there.
So my rating of the meet is like an average, not bad, but not good.
Scale 1 to 10.
5. And so I ran the 400 in 52:29, so it's close to my PB, but my PB is from my first ever 400. So just not where I want to be at right now. And then pole vault, wanted to get that 5 meters. Struggling with my poles, figuring out which ones I can actually jump on and can't, blowing through a lot of them. So we're both competing next week in London again at the Field Series meet. I'm gonna throw, Caroline's gonna jump.